dose of cardio miracle. Daily dose of cardio miracle. Daily dose. Daily dose of cardio miracle. Right here on the Dave and Jared Show. Welcome to the 4th of July edition of the Daily Dose.
Yeah, we are the Cardio Miracle DJs.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Jared.
And you know, Jared, I'm so excited that tomorrow is the 4th of July.
Oh, yeah.
And we're out here doing our show live from the park.
Yeah, you know, this is my favorite holiday, I think.
Oh, yeah, this is so much fun.
It is. I mean, there's so many barbecues, ribs, hot dogs, burgers, and wash it down with some potato salad.
That definitely sounds like a heart attack waiting to happen.
Yes, but I have the edge on all my friends and family.
Oh, like the shaving cream.
No, not that edge.
Oh, the Tony Robbins self-help program called The Edge.
No, not that edge either. It's because I never miss a daily dose.
That's right, Jared. You can just drink me up and I'll be like a giant firework display of blood flow going through your veins.
Yep, just take it twice daily like clockwork. But my favorite part about the 4th of July is the fireworks.
Yeah, me too. Even though I've been banned in 6 states and told to never light another firework again.
Well, you are notorious for having the police show up at your home on the 4th of July. I mean, do we need to have a little lesson in firework safety here?
Nah, just break out what you have, Dave.
All right, here we go. All right, let's do this one.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ah.
That's the best you got? Let's try this one.
Oh, you think that's big? Well, check this out.
What? That's not a firework. That's the Cardio Miracle can.
What are you guys doing to me?
You think the can was just designed to help with blood flow? I mean, did you forget that nitric oxide is the spark of life?
Hey, this seems dangerous, guys.
Light the fuse, Jared.
I'm on it.
Hey, wait. Hey, we need to talk about this.
Rocket can with his daily dose up here alone.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
20 seconds to LOS drift.
Roger, nice to be in orbit.
That was one small step for supplements, one giant leap for cardio miracle.
Do you think we'll ever see Cardio Miracle again?
I mean, no more cardio miracle means no more cardio miracle DJs.
Is this the end of the daily dose?
I wish we could find a way to save the can. Daily dose of cardio miracle.